With the online testing mode feature in Porsline's Pro and Enterprise accounts, you can automatically grade your test and show each respondent a personalized answer sheet after submission. To get started, first create your test questions in the Create phase. Please note that auto-grading and answer sheets only apply to multiple choice, picture choice, drop-down, and numerical answer question types. Next, proceed to the Settings phase and select Online Testing Mode from the menu on the left. Click Answer key and select the correct answers for each question. Once you've done that, enable the toggle Release Grade. You'll also need to decide when to display the sheet, immediately after each submission or after the time timer expires. If you choose the second option, respondents won't have access to their answer sheet until the full exam time has passed. Now, return to the Create phase and go to the End Page Settings. Enable the Reload Redirect button, enter your button label, and select the individual responses link from the dropdown. When respondents click this button, they'll be taken directly to their corrected answer sheet along with their score. If you also want the final score to be calculated and displayed, click Add Calculation on each question and define how many points should be awarded for each correct answer. Repeat this for all test questions. To assign points to all questions at once, return to the Online Testing Mode section in Settings. Click Define the score based on the answer key and define how many correct answers should be worth. If your test includes negative marking, enable that option as well. Then click Save Score Settings. These global calculations can be reviewed and edited later in the Create phase. Once responses are submitted, go to the Results phase and open the results table. Click the icon in the Answer Sheet column to view each respondent's corrected sheet individually. You can even print it. In the Score column at the end of the table, you'll see each respondent's final score. To display the final score directly on the answer sheet, use piping in the title or description fields by typing @ and selecting the score variable. Just make sure your calculations have already been defined in advance for the score to appear. If you have any questions, our team is here to help.